I told you, hydrochloric acid is having the function. Hydrochloric acid. Have you noticed this thing? Then whenever you do fasting or you don't eat anything, then acidity हो जाती है. ऐसा क्यों होता है? पता है? Because hydrochloric acid जो है stomach secrete करता रहता है. And if you will don't eat anything, तो वो acid क्या करेगा? वो stomach की lining को ही वो करेगा, वहां पर एसिडिक मीडियम बन जाता है. एंड व्हेन वी यूज्ड टू टेक मिला के सॉल्ट बन जाता है. ओके, सो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इज व्हाट? इट इज एन एसिड, राइट? इट हेल्प्स इन योर डाइजेशन, बट इट मे harm the inner lining, so mucus is there to protect that, right? And जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक का दूसरा फंक्शन है वो है पैप्सिन, जो थर्ड सिक्रीशन है स्टमक का, एक्टिवेट करता है. Yes, everyone, keep yourself muted. From where I'm getting sound? All right.
मुझे क्वेश्चन पूछना है.
Next. Okay. Are you able to see here? अब स्टमक में जो प्रोटीन्स होते हैं आपके, पेप्सिन क्या करता है? एसिडिक मीडियम की हेल्प से पेप्सिन करता है, converts the proteins into peptones. Okay, it converts the proteins into peptones. All right, so what it does, proteins convert pepsin. With the help of pepsin, proteins are converted to peptones. Okay, I hope it must be clear to you. And mucus protect the inner lining of the stomach from the action of acid. All right, yes.
मुझे ये पूछना था कि जो हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड होता है वो हमारी बॉडी में पहले से ही होता है कि वो अंदर जाता है?
It's a type of secretion, Palak, right? Our stomach secretes this, है ना? आपके स्टमक में ये प्रेजेंट होता है, स्टमक की जो लाइनिंग होती है उसी से सिक्रीट होता है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
All right. So अब जो partially digested semi-solid food है स्टमक के अंदर, it is being known as chyme only. What we call it? Chyme. We call it. Speak up. Give me the response.
Chyme.
Chyme only. It is known as chyme. What is chyme? You may get a question. What is chyme? The partially digested semi-solid food in the stomach is known as chyme. All right. Okay. Now, how it was being discovered? You know, it's having an interesting story besides this. See, this is a man. Are you able to see this man? Yes, this man. See, this man got by a shotgun, right? In 1882. तो वर्किंग जो है स्टमक की वो एक स्ट्रेंज एक्सीडेंट से डिस्कवर हुआ था. कैसे हुआ? इस मैन के थ्रू हुआ था, named Alexis St. Martin, who was hit by a shotgun, right? जब उसको बुलेट से हिट किया गया, बुलेट ने क्या किया? Bullet just damaged his stomach, his abdomen, right? And वहां पर एक होल हो गया. Then doctors ने उसको बचा तो लिया. An American doctor, Dr. William, treated him. He was able to save him, but he was not able to close that hole, right? Which he got with the help of that. वो उस होल को बंद नहीं कर पा रहे थे, है ना? Then what happened? उन्होंने उसको सिर्फ बैंडेज करके छोड़ दिया. He left that hole bandaged only, and through that hole he was able to check that what processes are going on inside the stomach. So वहीं से जो है हमें पता चला कि what functions actually the stomach do. So what is the function? Stomach churns the food. बिल्कुल churn होता है food stomach के अंदर. जो stomach की walls है वो fluid secrete करती है which helps in the digestion of food, and stomach के and at the end of the stomach it opens into the intestine, right? Only after the digestion get complete. Remember this thing, right? So digestions get over here.
Ma'am, who
Okay?
is the
So
Dr. Vyoma?
Dr. William was there who treated that man. Okay, he is the man, Alexis St. Martin, who was being treated by Dr. William 1882. He got hurt by the shotgun. He was hit by shotgun. Okay, and तभी हमें पता चला कि what is the working of stomach actually, right? So then, as I told you, please keep yourself muted. This is the small intestine. Are you able to see this?
Yes, ma'am.
It's a coil-like structure, है ना? Have you seen any cloth merchant? Say it's 7.5 meter long. It's the longest part of our digestive system, right? It's about 7.5 meter in length, longest part of our alimentary canal. So, have you seen any cloth merchant with a 1 meter rod? Have you guys seen? Do you know what meter is? Give me the response. Do you know how much water is?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
200 centimeter.
है ना? 1 meter का rod. So just just assume it is 7.5 meters long. है ना? बहुत बड़ा हो गया ना, right? So it's too long, but it is in coiled form. Okay, this is small intestine. All right. तो लिवर और पैंक्रियाज जो हैं वो अपने फ्लूइड्स रिलीज करते हैं एक कॉमन डक्ट के थ्रू स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन में, एंड स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन आल्सो secretes the digestive juices which are known as intestinal juices. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Why I am getting the response only from Palak? You guys should know how to unmute yourself. All right, so let's start with the small intestine. See, this red part is the liver. This is your stomach. Okay. So now we'll discuss about this small intestine. See, small intestine is the largest. Remember, you may get a question, which is the longest part of your alimentary canal. Okay. Remember. Yes, small intestine. Okay. Now let's discuss about this red part, which is known as liver. Okay, so it is reddish brown gland which is situated on the right side in the upper part of your abdomen. Are you able to? It's just beside the upper part. Okay, it's on the right side. What the liver do? Bile juice secrete करता है liver, right? And ये bile juice. See, here also a question arises. You may get a question.
Create bile juice.
Sorry. That which part secretes bile juice and which part stores bile juice. See, there are two options, right? Liver secretes and gallbladder store bile juice. You should remember this thing, that who secretes the bile juice?
Liver.
Yes. And who stores the bile juice?
Gallbladder.
Yes. Okay, so bile juice help in the digestion of fats. All right, and bile
Yes,
juice
ma'am.
क्या करेगा? जो bigger droplets है fats की, उसको smaller droplets में convert करेगा and fat के digestion को easier बनाएगा. Okay, it will make the digestion
Yes,
of
ma'am.
fat more easier. Okay, now let's talk
Yes,
about pancreas. See, are you able to see here? This
Yes,
is the pancreas, this is liver, this is stomach, and just below the stomach, a small gland that is called pancreas, which secretes, what the pancreas will secrete?
Pancreatic juice.
Yes, exactly, it will secrete pancreatic.
Pancreatic juice.
Obviously, pancreatic juice it will secrete. Okay. सो क्रीम कलर की ग्लैंड है, स्टमक के नीचे प्रेजेंट होती है, पैंक्रियाटिक जूस सिक्रीट करती है, एंड वो पैंक्रियाटिक जूस कहाँ जाएगा? Where it will release its pancreatic juice? Into the intestine only. As I have told you,
Small.
that bile juice, yes, bile juice and pancreatic juice both are liver and pancreas both release their secretion into the small intestine. So it will secrete the pancreas juice into the intestine
Small
only.
distance.
Right?
No.
Yes. Now let's discuss about the intestinal juices. Intestinal juices completes the digestion of all the three: carbohydrates, fats, and
Proteins.
Carbohydrates.
yes, exactly, carbohydrate, fats, and proteins. Okay. Now all the three will get convert. Fatty acid will convert. Fats are converted into fatty acid and glycerol. Proteins are converted into amino acids, and carbohydrates get converted into glucose.
Glucose.
All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. See here. You may get again get a question from here. Remember that fat किस में convert होता है, carbohydrate किस में convert होता है.
और
You
protein.
may get a
protein.
question. Yes. Okay. Carbohydrate get converted into
Glucose.
yes. Proteins get converted into
Amino acids. Amino acids.
yes, and fats get converted into
Fatty acids and glycerol.
exactly. Okay. Fats get converted into fatty acid and glycerol. All right. तो अब क्या हुआ? Carbohydrate, proteins and fat, all these are converted into the simpler form. Okay. By these intestinal juices. All right.
Yes,
This
ma'am.
happened over here. Carbohydrate get broken into glucose, fat into fatty acid, glycerol, and protein get broken into amino acids. Yes. इसमें से question बन सकता है. Remember this thing. कौन किस में convert होता है? All right. All this is happening into small intestine. All right. Now you know small intestine में अब हम बात करेंगे absorption की. Right. What we have discussed till here. हम बात कर रहे थे digestion की and alimentary canal की and digestive tract की. Now we will talk about absorption because digestion is completed over there almost, right? Now, what is the fourth step of holozoic nutrition? What was the first step? Ingestion. Second step was
Digestion.
digestion. Step.
Absorption.
Exactly, absorption. Now we will talk about absorption. You know, the small intestine is having very small villi. You know what is villi? These finger-like projection. Now, what these finger-like projections will do? It will increase the surface area. देखो, एक आपके पास एक normal sheet है, right? And one you are having sheet with so many finger-like projections. तो जब आप उसको straight करोगे, which one would be having more area? किसका area ज़्यादा होगा?
Light one. Plain.
Which one will be having more area?
Plain
Obviously, which would be? Yes, obviously, plain sheet.
Light
क्यों? जिसमें finger-like projections होंगे. Yes, उसको जब straight करोगे, it will be having more area ना. So, what these villi will do? It will provide more area for what? For the absorption of more food. Okay. Now these villi is a finger-like projection on the inner wall of a small intestine. हर एक villi के अंदर, are you able to see this blue red structures in the villi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What are these blue red? These are the small blood vessels which are known as capillaries. See, these are the capillaries which are just near to the surface. ये सारी blood capillaries है, blue, red. Okay, अभी capillaries क्या करेंगी? इनके थ्रू फूड ब्लड में एब्जॉर्ब होगा. ओके, एंड they will provide this food to each and every cell for the process of respiration, and through this respiration the energy will get released. Okay, so villi will absorb the digested food material and passes them to the blood capillaries. Is it clear?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
All right. Okay, so ये the process of utilization of the absorbed food. Now, that is called assimilation. What is the next step after absorption?
Assimilation.
Yes, and what is the
Assimilation.
last step?
Insertion.
Yes, very good.
Neutralization.
Yes. Egestion is the last step. So now we will talk about assimilation, है ना? अब आपकी body में food absorb हो गया, digested food. Now it has to be utilized, ना? That is called assimilation. Now these blood, as I told you, these blood capillaries will carry the absorbed from that small intestine to the different organs. Okay? अलग अलग organs में cells को जाकर देंगे. Okay? Amino acids use कर लेगी body growth के लिए, repair के लिए. And आपके जो damaged body parts है, just to do the wear and tear of your damaged part, it will be used. Okay, see, are you able to see these villi?
Yes,
Are you
ma'am.
able to see here? These are
Yes.
the finger-like projections ना कितने सारे दिख रहे हैं ऊपर finger-like projections. It will increase the surface area for more and more absorption of food. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
All right. So glucose break down with the help of oxygen into carbon dioxide. I have told you the respiratory equation. Again, I'm going to tell you when I'll go again into Zoom. I'll share my whiteboard and I'll show you the reaction. Right. So C6H12O6 glucose कहाँ जाएगा? ऑक्सीजन की हेल्प से एरोबिक रेस्पिरेशन होगा and carbon dioxide and water will be released. Along with that, energy will be released in the form of ATP, that is adenosine triphosphate. Okay, I have told you previous year also in 6th बता चुकी हूँ ना मैं रेस्पिरेशन के बारे में थोड़ा थोड़ा.
Yes,
So,
ma'am.
ये जो एनर्जी है अब कहाँ जाएगी? What will happen with this energy? What will happen with this energy which you have got now?
मैम वो रिपेयर करेगी बॉडी टिश्यूज को.
Yes, ma'am.
Body
Used
tissues
to
to amino acid repair कर रहा है. See, it will be used to do various activities. Okay, whatever you have to do, it will help you to do the various activities of your body. Okay, whether you play, whether you do homework, whether you speak, whether you think, everything requires energy. Even when you are sleeping, then too your brain uses energy. You guys dream ना that when you sleep, जब आप सोते हो तो आप ड्रीमिंग करते हो. ड्रीमिंग के लिए भी एनर्जी चाहिए होती है, and your brain that means you use the energy at the time of sleeping also. इसलिए सोते हुए एनर्जी यूज करती है.
मैम अगर
Okay?
ड्रीम्स ना है तो
Sorry,
ड्रीम्स नहीं है तो
and so you must be thinking something. Everything requires energy, dear. Okay, see, this is the reaction. This is the reaction of respiration. C6H12O6 glucose aerobic respiration हो रहा है यहाँ पर ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस में, 6O2 की प्रेजेंस में. It will get converted into 6CO2 plus 6H2O and energy will be stored in the form of ATP. Okay?
अलग अलग
Ma'am,
पार्ट में डिवाइड
ma'am.
हो सकती है.
मैम
Yes.
मैम पर
Yes.
जब बोल मैम लेकिन जब अपन सोते हैं तो अपन रिलैक्स हो जाते हैं, तो अगर अपना माइंड काम करेगा तो रिलैक्स कैसे हो पाएगा?
नहीं, माइंड तो आपकी बॉडी को रिलैक्सेशन चाहिए होता है. माइंड तो अपना काम करता रहता है. यू ड्रीम करे तो आपका माइंड तो वर्क कर ही रहा है ना. There is no issue. Your body will get relaxed. Ultimate energy is being used in dreaming. Okay, you may get question from this equation also. Okay, कोई भी मैं fill up दे सकती हूँ यहाँ पर. Okay, so you have to complete this equation. All right, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, C6H12O6 react with 6 atoms of oxygen and it will provide you 6 molecules of carbon dioxide, along with that 6 of water. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Till now, if anybody is having any doubt, you guys may let me know. And a break of 2 minutes. So just to take the attendance and to ask you guys if you are having any issue. Again, I'll start.
Okay, ma'am.
Is there any problem?
No, ma'am.
No? All right,
No,
shall
ma'am.
we start? Okay. Shall we start with our next topic?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Okay, that's good. And now nobody will keep their video switch off. Okay? Because I want to see all my lovely kids. It gives me the feel of a class actually. All right? Very nice. Good to see you all. That all of you are sitting up straight with a proper posture. Now, posture is sitting in a proper posture. Very good. All right. Shudhrani,
Mama. Bye.
all right. Okay, so I'm starting with the next topic again. Rashmi Shekhawat is having any problem? Yes, Rashmi? Speak that yourself. You know your are you out, Rashmi? Your hand?
कुछ ऐसे सारे स्टेप्स होते हैं डाइजेशन के, बट रियली में कितना टाइम लगता है बॉडी को डाइजेशन में?
Not properly audible actually, Palak. Can you please repeat your question?
यस मैम, मैं कह रही थी ये सारे तो प्रोसेस होते हैं डाइजेशन के, पर रियलिटी में अगर हम कोई फूड खाते हैं तो उसको डाइजेशन में कितना टाइम लगता है?
डाइजेशन में कितना टाइम लगता है? इट डिपेंड्स कि व्हाट यू आर ईटिंग, है ना? कुछ प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं जो इजीली डाइजेस्टेबल होते हैं और कुछ होते हैं व्हिच टेक टाइम्स टू गेट डाइजेस्टेड. ओके, suppose you can say at least 3 to 4 hours it takes. All right.
यस
Any
मैम.
other doubts?
नो
Just
मैम.
lower down hand if you are not asking anything. All right, now I'm continuing
यस मैम.
with the next topic, and then I'll take the attendance. Just for 5 minutes, I'll take the class mode. Okay. All right. Palak, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is now we are going to start with the large intestine, right? Because the small intestine में absorption हो गया, now through the blood capillaries, now food, the digested food has been reached to your cells and energy got released over there. Now, do you think all the food you eat get digested?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
No,
And
ma'am.
what happens? Some undigested food also get left over in our body.
Yes, ma'am.
So it has to be ejected out, right? So now this function will be done by large intestine. The undigested food will now enter into the large intestine from the small intestine. Okay, see, this is large intestine. Okay,
Yes.
now it is, see, it's known as large intestine, लेकिन ये होती छोटी है small intestine से. It's just 1.5 meter long. And what was the length of a small intestine?
7.5 meter long.
Yes, it was 7.5 meters long. Okay. So this large intestine, and this is of 1.5 meter length, and it is shorter. Is wider than the small intestine,
Yes, ma'am.
but shorter in length than the small intestine. Okay, here what we got over here, the undigested food. All right. Now, ये जो undigested food है, large intestine will absorb excess of water and salt from this. है ना, इसके अंदर जितना excess water, what happened? Who is calling?
देखना मत.
So this large intestine, it will absorb the excess water and salt from the undigested food, and semi-solid phases will be stored in the rectum. Will be ejected out through this anus only.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it will be removed from the body. डायरिया हो जाता है, दैट मीन इन्फेक्शन हो, फूड पॉइजनिंग हो जाता है या इनडाइजेशन हो जाता है, तो क्या करता है, हम वाटरी स्टूल फ्रीक्वेंटली पास आउट करते हैं, और दिस इज नोन एज डायरिया, वॉमिटिंग एटसेट्रा. This is known as diarrhea when excessive loss of water gets occurred from our body, and ORS is recommended for that, oral rehydration solution. Okay, so if one does not take sufficient water and roughage in their diet, the person may suffer from different difficult bowel movements. जो bowel movements होते हैं, जो कि excretion को easy बनाते हैं, उनमें problem आती है, and this characterized by the dry. Okay, stomach ulcer also we have discussed earlier in detail that कई बार हम जो है proper chew नहीं करते food को, right? And इससे क्या होगा, excessive production होगा हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड का स्टमक में. if you will not chew your food, you are being supposed to chew the food properly. Okay, so when the excess secretion of hydrochloric acid continues for a long time, क्या होगा, आपकी जो स्टमक की जो इनर वॉल है, it will get destroyed. Okay, and में अल्सर हो जाता है, it's very painful. Okay, see, this is the stomach ulcer. All right.
Yes.
And why it happens? Because जब excessive secretion होता है hydrochloric acid का, okay, for a long time, it destroys the wall of the stomach, and जो wall होती है stomach की, उन्हें bounce हो जाते हैं, घाव हो जाते हैं. Okay,
Yes,
is
ma'am.
it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
All right, we have discussed about our small intestine, large intestine, and everything. Okay, now digestion, that is the last part that we are going to discuss. I'm coming back.
Ma'am, attendance
So
to
now
the
I'm coming back. Yeah, I'll take. That's my issue. Don't get no issue. I'll take. It's my headache. Okay, so digestion, the last topic for this digestive system, removal of undigested food from body. Okay, undigested food कहाँ गया पहले? Large intestine में गया. Okay, and large intestine के दो parts हैं, colon and rectum. Ojaswini Mishra, will you please mute yourself? Okay, so large intestine is having two further parts. One is colon and another one is rectum. Okay, so colon में क्या होगा? Colon के अंदर absorb होगा water and salt from undigested food. Okay, I repeat myself. In colon, large intestine is further divided into two. One is colon, another one is rectum. What will happen in colon actually? It will absorb water and salt from undigested food and make it semi-solid, which is now known as feces. And rectum में feces जो है वो store किए जाएंगे and it will be passed out through anus. Okay. Now nutrients and ruminants is the last topic with many layers that I'm going to discuss tomorrow just in 5 minutes, and I'm going to take your test on tomorrow. Okay. Is the chapter clear to everyone?
Yes,
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, if anybody is having any doubts, they may ask. Now I am starting with the attendance. Raise your
मैम
hands.
ओरल टेस्ट लोगे या फिर रिटर्न?
It depends on me. You just be ready for both.
ओके मैम.
ओरल लेना
And read the whole chapter. Okay.
assessment मत
You are
करो।
supposed to read the whole chapter.
मैम गूगल असाइनमेंट में जैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे वैसे लोगे?
Sorry.
गूगल असाइनमेंट में जैसे क्वेश्चंस आएंगे उस टाइप का लोगे?
नहीं, गूगल फॉर्म में नहीं दूंगी. फिलहाल मैं आपका एक ऐसे ही लाइव टेस्ट लूंगी एंड आफ्टर दैट आई प्रोवाइड यू टेस्ट एंड देन द फाइनल असेसमेंट. Okay. Attendance please. 7th A. After that I'll clear your doubts. Give me 2 minutes to further attendance. Akash Singh, Asta Sharma, Abhijit Kasana, Aditya Singh, Anupriya, Anurag Gehlot, Anand Singh. Okay, Anand Singh is there with me. Okay, see, don't unmute yourself, everyone. When your turn will come, you may unmute yourself. Till then, keep yourself muted. According to your roll number, you can unmute yourself. Bhumika Devanda,